Hi guys, this is me Sonali Vijay. Today we are going to understand what is slope of budget line and what is the price ratio of budget line. So here we are going to start with slope of budget line. Slope of budget line is equals to units willing to sacrifice upon units willing to gain, or we can represent it through loss by gain in easy term. So on diagram, we represent loss on y-axis and gain on x-axis. So here I want to discuss you that loss unit will be shown on y-axis and gain unit will be shown on x-axis. So we can represent it through like y upon x. Okay, slope of budget line is equals to price ratio of two goods. So what is price ratio? Price ratio is equals to price of good X upon price of good Y. So we can define it as Px upon Py or gain by loss. Here we are represent slope as loss by gain, and this is just opposite of slope. So price ratio is gain by loss. Here we are going to discuss with an example. So we will find out what is the slope of budget line and price of budget line. So what we are doing here, we need to find out the slope of budget line. As slope is equals to loss by gain, we are sacrificing the commodity of Maggi. So it is decreased by 8 minus 4 is equals to 4, and we are increasing the units of chips. So from 4 to 12, that is 8. So 4 by 8 is equals to 1 by 2. And now come to the price ratio. As we have discussed, we have taken the price of chips as 5 rupees and price of Maggi is 10. So price ratio is equals to price of X upon price of Y. As we have taken price of X as 5 rupees and price of Y is equals to 10 rupees. So 5 by 10 is equals to 1 by 2. As our line is proof that slope of budget line is equals to price ratio of two goods. As slope of budget line is equals to 1 by 2 and price ratio is 1 by 2. Here is the slope and price ratio of budget line. Properties of budget line. First is budget line is downward sloping. Budget line has a negative slope. As we have discussed that we have taken two commodities, chips and Maggi, and they have inversely related to each other, as our income is fixed and price of these goods are also fixed. So here this is the line of Maggi and chips that is downward, as we have decreased the units of Maggi and increasing the units of chips. So this is the diagram where we can say that it has negative relation or inverse relation. It slopes downwards as more of one good can be bought by decreasing some units of other goods. As slope downwards as more of one good we have to decrease in order to increase the other good of the commodity. Second is budget line is a straight line. So the slope of budget line is represented by the price ratio. Price ratio, what was the price ratio? As gain by loss is represented by the price ratio. As price ratio is constant throughout, the budget line is a straight line. Here we need to understand that price ratio will be constant throughout. The budget line is a straight line. So every diagram has true properties, as we have discussed this in previous videos also. Relationship and shape. So here is inverse or negative relation between these two goods under the budget line, and shape is a straight line, as we are going to discuss with the price ratio, as the slope of budget line is designed by the price ratio. Now come to the example. We will discuss with an example, as I am consuming unit 1 of chips and Maggi. What we are going to do in this example, we will increase the consumption of chips and decrease the consumption of Maggi with the I will change the price ratio as in a form that it will give me constant result throughout. So price ratio of chips and Maggi is 4/2, as 4 is the price of chips and 2 is the price of Maggi, and price ratio is defined by gain by loss, as 4/2 is equals to 2:1. Now at the unit second, what I will going to do, I will increase the consumption of chips. So with the second unit, I will have to spend more money on chips and less money on Maggi. So what I am going to do, I will increase the consumption of chips. So here I will spend more money on chips, that is 8, and I will reduce the consumption of Maggi by 4. So here is 8/4 is equals to 2:1. Here we can understand that price ratio should be constant throughout. So our budget line is a straight line. So I hope you got a clear meaning of budget line. We can say that price ratio should be constant throughout for budget line, and it is a straight line with a downward sloping. So I hope you got the clear meaning of budget line. In our next topic, we will discuss the shift and rotation of budget line. Thank you.